Today, we're learning how to add rotate transitions to your clips. First, make sure you have two videos on the timeline placed side by side. Between the clips, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to open the transitions menu. From here, scroll to the base section. This is where you'll find rotate 1. Tap on it and you'll see your clips connected with the smooth spinning transition. Now, right below, you'll notice the duration slider. This controls the speed of the rotation. If you slide it to the left, the spin will be quick and snappy. If you slide it to the right, the spin becomes slower and smoother. But here's something extra. If you tap on the transition again, you can actually change the direction. You can switch between a clockwise spin and an anti-clockwise spin, depending on the feel you want. There's also another transition called rotate 2. This one has a slightly different spin effect compared to rotate 1. And again, just like before, you can adjust the speed using the duration slider and tap again to flip the direction. And that's it. You now know how to use both rotate transitions in VN Video Editor. Play around with rotate 1 and rotate 2, try clockwise and anti-clockwise spins, and adjust the speed to see what works best for your edit. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN Video Editor tips.